guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you how I create Instagram puzzle feed using Canva. So before we start guys, please support my YouTube channel by subscribing, liking, and watching my videos. Thank you guys. So what is puzzle feed? Puzzle feed is the layout essentially looks like one image broken up into different posts. This is the example I made, and this is already posted in my Instagram. Later I will show you how I posted this one. So let's start. And we're done. We can now download the photo. After you download the photo, go to pinetoolssplitimage.com, and then you may now upload the photo here. Then from here in option, choose both PNG 3 and 3, then split image. And now it's here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have 9 posts from the image we made. Okay, so you download it one by one. So guys, how we upload that in Instagram. So if we go here in my Instagram, see, this is my Instagram guys. If you want to follow me, feel free to follow. I have a little bit of followers. Kung gusto nyo dagdagan, you may, and thank you for that. Okay, this one, the one I made, I already posted this in Instagram. So if we posted this, it will look like this: one post, and then one post, and then one post. So as you can see, the layout is still there. So if you post this in Instagram, you need to pay attention which one or which is the first you need to upload. This will be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 8, 9. Okay? So guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to, and if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a good day.